Language is a bridge that connects thoughts and emotions. In the realm of Tamil vocabulary, each word is a key that unlocks the essence of communication. Let's embark on this journey together, starting with the word accomplish, which translates to நிறைவேற்று. The joy felt when you've achieved something is universal, and this word captures that feeling beautifully. Next, we encounter admire or விரும்பி பாராட்டு. This word evokes a sense of appreciation, a reflection of our capacity to recognize beauty in moments or people. Whether it's a stunning sunset or a meaningful act, admiration enriches our lives and deepens our connections with others. Moving forward, affection translates to nesum, embodying the warmth of love and kindness that we can extend towards others. This word encompasses relationships, friendship, and the gentle bond that ties souls together. It highlights the importance of emotion in our interactions. Another powerful word, ambitious or avlodi, drives us towards our aspirations. Ambition fuels our dreams and motivates us to reach new heights. It's a trait inherent in us all, pushing us to strive harder and chase what we desire. As we delve deeper, analyze becomes bagupaibasi. This word signifies the importance of critical thinking and reflection in our decision-making process. Analyzing our choices allows us to navigate life with clarity and confidence, leading to informed conclusions. In a world full of uncertainty, the word anticipate, which translates to Ederpark, becomes crucial. Anticipation holds a sense of excitement and hope, preparing us for what lies ahead. It's the thrill of expecting something wonderful, reminding us to embrace the journey. Equally important is appreciate or barat. This word encourages gratitude and recognition. Valuing the efforts of others and cherishing what we have is fundamental to happiness. The word aspire translates to virumba, reflecting our innate desire to achieve greatness. Aspirations inspire growth and encourage us to dream big, pushing us ever forward.